All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we look at the watch faces on the Amazfit ecosystem. It's not so much just this watch. Now, this is the Amazfit GTS 2E, and I'm going to show you with this watch. This is what I'm currently using. Some watch faces. Now, this is today's current watch face. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll notice that I've been posting a lot more watch faces because I think something as simple as being able to customize your watch face can really be nice. So customizing the watch face, the quick way is to long press on the screen and start swiping through, and you'll see the ones that you've downloaded. Some of them can be customized. You can choose something different for this. You can do whatever you want to do with these. But I have to say that the Amazfit ecosystem is in fact really nice with watch faces. You could wear a watch face every day for 2 months straight, a different watch face if you just really wanted to. You definitely could do that. So the watch faces are nice and clear depending on which ones you get. Some of them, like there's one on here where it's reading in Celsius. It's definitely not 33 degrees outside. It's more like 50 or 60, whatever the conversion is. However, this is a nice watch face, but I decided not to use it because, I can't customize it and I can't change to the correct weather. But nonetheless, that weather is incorrect. So that's a good watch face, but there are some on here that genuinely are just great. There's a bunch of watch faces that you can choose from where you really can use a different watch face every day. Now, if you want to get more watch faces, you'll need to use the Zeff app. So the Zeff app is an app where it has all the different watch faces, and it's the one that controls the watch itself. If you need to do something in more detail, you want to come to the application here. But we're focusing on the watch faces. As you can see here, there are a boatload of watch faces to choose from. There's just a bunch, and I think this is a positive thing because a smartwatch isn't something it's borderline expensive. That makes sense. It's borderline expensive. So in order to put on a smartwatch or face with the Zepp app or the Amazfit ecosystem, you just choose one and then you select, I'll use this one. I had saved this one. I was going to use this one earlier, and you hit sync. And then you'll notice the watch is now communicating with the application. You'll stay paired Bluetooth with this. And it doesn't drain your phone if you're wondering about using a smartwatch. This smartwatch is now, the technology where we are right now, you shouldn't have a problem with it draining your phone's battery as well. And then the watches themselves, they last for several days. And that's the case with this Amazfit GTS 2E. Now that is how you sync a watch face, and now it is on the watch itself, and that's just how you're going to keep track of your watch faces on your watch. You can long press there. Now see, so here in the watch, in the app, you'll go to manage, and this is where you can delete things. So if I want to hit delete and I want to come down and delete something, I want to delete this one right here. So I want to select that one and I want to hit delete. Now, for some reason, it shows two of these on here. So let's get rid of one of those and we'll delete that. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. And now under manage, you'll see these are my current watch faces. I don't know why it was a duplicate of that. But there you go. So if you want to see what's actually on the watch, hit the delete button. And these are the ones that I've actually downloaded here. I downloaded I downloaded one, two. I downloaded that one. These two right here, I guess, are on the watch already, and you're able to delete them if you want to. But in the store, there are so many watch faces, and if you look at something in this store, almost all these watch faces have a 5-star because there's a watch face for everybody, and that's what that means. I don't think that means that there's just fake reviews or whatever. I think that there's a watch face for everyone in every season that you're going to use. So this is the watch face that I just installed. And you can see how detailed it is. January 29th, it's Thursday, again with the 33 degrees. Is it 33 degrees outside? Let me double check something here. Man, I know it's cold outside, but let's check. Oh, it's 43 degrees right now. So this is still a little, it's not reading as accurate, but um, all the watch faces said maybe it is 33 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to be only a high of 60 today, so, or 56. So maybe it is 33 degrees. My bad. So maybe the other face was accurate. But nonetheless, you can see my steps, the time. It's got some nice fancy design. You got your pi up there. You got your heart rate down here. You got the battery percentage down here. There's a lot of detail in these watch faces. And I just think that's a huge plus on having an ecosystem like this where you don't have to buy watch faces. Now there's Facer out there and there's a lot of different things. None of those things are compatible with this because we have our own ecosystem with, I'm saying we like I work for them. You can slide me some bread if you want to, Amazfit, Zepp, holla at me. But yeah, there's no need to purchase anything because they're giving you enough. You've got these developers that are going into this and saying, hey, let's keep it all in-house. And I actually can appreciate that. I can appreciate having it all in-house. So there's a look at how you add a watch face, how you delete a watch face, how you manage your watch faces, and all the options that you have for the Amazfit ecosystem. Now, depending on which watch you're wearing, you might see 80 watch faces. In some some watches, it only would display 50 or 60 because of the design of the watch. It has to be able to be formatted. There are watch faces that are across the board through all of my Amazfit watches because I have, what, 6 of them? I think I have 6, possibly. And all the watch faces are pretty much, in line with that. I can get the same watch faces across all the watches, even though different sizes and different shapes. I've got 2 round ones and like 3 or 4 of the little square ones like this, and this is the bigger version. This is the GTS, so this isn't the Mini. The Mini is more in line with the Amazfit Bit U, which is a smaller version. So in size that is, but this is a great size watch. This is probably the best looking watch that I have. I like this one even better than the color on the other one because it is this gray color is just so nice. It's just beautiful. Come on there. Probably some water or something. But yeah, I mean, and it's not affected by, the microphone's not affected up top by that at all. Water resistant. You can take a shower with this. You can work out with this, obviously. Yeah, I think you'll be in there. So I'll be doing a review of this watch coming up soon. I'll try to have that ready by next week. But for now, those are watch faces on the Amazfit ecosystem. The application is Zepp. Look it up. See you in the next one. Take care.